Alright, this is the VDO road lock, electronic lock device. Okay, this is a unique device from Continental. It's got a built-in printer, and the good thing is that there is no monthly fee. Alright, and it is free compliance software updates. It's got that actually. That's nice. Works with all vehicles, right? And you got data privacy and support from IFTA, IRP, and DVIR. This is a magnificent device made out of Continental. If you want to check it out, check the link right below. All right. I'm going to set this up right now. So this is going in an 07 6-pin plug, and we're going to connect it right here where it used to be my recording device. So that's where we're going to put it. I am not putting this on the dashboard right here because I like my dashboard what's on there. So I'm not going to drill my dashboard, although I would love to put it right there and then, but for now I'm going to put it somewhere else where it's easy access, and it's just only for this, for nothing else. I'm going to have to figure out a way to connect that. Now this electronic lock device comes individually, and all the other components are separate. You do have the keys, driver key, and this goes to your boss. Your boss owns this. So the driver key works with the electronic lock device, and in which I will get into it later on. And another thing is that I love this box. Nice box. Well, sure. Anyway, I will get into this later on, the electronic lock device, the keys, how they work. And I got the Road Lock EOBR installation kit. And this is what we're going to go ahead and see, we can set this up too. And another thing I like about this, finally, I got a big sticker saying that Road Lock electronic driver's lock VDO inside this particular vehicle. And no one is going to mess with me this time. If anybody does mess with me, I'll give them the cowboy boots. So, along with this, a few more stickers coming along with it. Once again, this is the Road Lock EOBR installation kit. I'm going to go ahead and start installing this, and this is going to be in several parts and chapters because it is a process. I want to make sure that I can, put it together as much as I can in 2 or 3 clips. All right, so hang on tight and stay tuned. My next video, guys, it's going to be what am I going to be taking apart from this truck to run all across the line, the wiring system, and set up this beautiful electronic lock device in this truck. That's next. Stay tuned, don't go away, and just click the next button and get to see that video. Catch you later. Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the first part of the video. This is going to be the second part 2, and welcome back. This is a 6-block computer plug. I'm going to be able to see if I'm able to get this out, and once I pull this out, I'm going to connect the other cable into this that came with the VDO electronic lock. So to do that, I'm going to have to get some of these screws out, and to get these screws out, as you all know me, I like to use WD-40 just to make sure. Just to make sure to clean the area, soften the area, get rid of all the particles, rust, dirt, sand, and it's going to get it out easy. Alright, I had a little difficulty here. The screws were kind of old, and the threads did skip, and I wasn't able to unscrew the screws out of the way. So I did manage to drill them. Here we got the cover out, so we're going to run the wiring right through under. So here I have the cover out of the way. And here we go. So I'm going to try to see if I can get these out of the way, and unscrew this and get that out of the way, and see if I can pull these screws out of the way also. And unfortunately, how am I going to do that? I don't know. I guess I'll have to use some kind of cutter or a plier, or maybe bend them a little bit and then move from there on and go to Home Depot and pick up some more fresh screws.